break-even point. The point at which two things become equal. The break-even point is from business where typically an expenditure is required before revenue is generated. The classic example is a business which sells something simple, like, quote, widgets, end quote. A widget is some device that customers want. Sometimes we will use a mousetrap as the product of our example company, and the idea that if we design a, quote, better, end quote, mousetrap, then we will outsell our competitors and have a growing business. So let's say that we have designed a better mousetrap. We first have to spend $100 to make them before we can start to sell them. Now we start to sell them. We will reach the break-even point when we have made $100 in sales, or when we reach the equal point between the outflow and the inflow. Take note that the 0 point is the holding place between the positive number set and the negative number set. In this example, expenses minus revenue equals 0, parentheses, $100 minus $100 equals 0, end parentheses. If we were only able to sell $70 in mousetraps, then we would have lost money, parentheses, $30 in this example, end parentheses. Any amount above the $100 in expenses becomes profit. If we sell $160 in mousetraps, we would now have $60 in profit. Break-even point is the point at which two things, parentheses, an outflow and an inflow, become equal and reach 0. Antonyms: profit, loss. Related words: expenses, revenue. Outflow, inflow, 0.